Hi there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to sell digital downloads on Wix and automate delivery. So for this, first of all, go to wix.com and log into your account. Once you are logged in, now go to your dashboard and there we have top left side My Site option. Click on it and from there click on Create New Site. Okay, so now here you need to choose or create a new website where you can sell digital items. So for this, click on Setup Without Chat. So as you clicked, it will proceed. Okay, now here you need to choose your store. So I will just type digital here so we can sell digital items there. Okay, there we have digital services and then click on continue. From there, you can choose the category and then it will start preparing your dashboard, and then you can just simply add your digital PDF or ebooks, just simply add it and then you can start selling. So this is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.